Three identical terms, but almost everyone solved this wrong. What is the value of x? In order to find the value of x, we are going to take 4 to the x as a common factor. I'm going to write 4 to the x as a common factor. Then I'm going to divide each term by 4 to the x. So if you divide 4 to the x with 4 to the x, you will have 1 plus. Again, 4 to the x divided by 4 to the x, we have 1 plus, and 4 to the x divided by 4 to the x, again we have 1, equal to 40. So now I can write 4 to the x is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 equal to 40. So here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna divide both sides of the equation by 3. Divided by 3, this side also divided by 3. Here 3 by 3 will cancel out. We will have 4 to the x is equal to 40 divided by 3, or 40 over 3. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take log from the right side of the equation, and 4 will go as a base, or we can write 4 as a base. X is equal to log of 40 over 3 to the base 4. So is it the answer? We can simplify it a little bit right now as well. So I can write, first of all, I'm gonna write the logarithm formula, the division formula. If we have log of x divided by y to the specific term, for example a, I can write this as log of x to the base a minus, so I don't have enough space here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this to here. So then I'm gonna write, we can write this as a log of x to the base a minus log of y to the base a. So now we are going to apply this formula to here, to this part of the question. So, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write x is equal to log of 40 to the base 4 minus log of 3 to the base 4. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write log of 40 as a log of 4 times 10 to the base 4 minus log of 3 to the base 4. X is equal to log of this part. We have a formula that if we have log of x times y to a specific base, we can write this as a log of x to the base a plus log of y to the base a. So now we are going to apply this formula to this part of the question. So I'm gonna write log of 4 to the base 4 plus log of 10 to the base 4 minus log of 3 to the base 4. Then x is log of 4 to the base 4 is 1 plus log of 10 to the base 4 minus log of 3 to the base 4. So this is the final answer of the question, and you can simplify this also a little bit. You can apply reversely this one and write to this form as well. You can do it. So I can write this as a x is equal to 1 plus log of 10 divided by 3 to the base 4. So either of the answers are correct. You can write like this or you can write like this. See you in the next lesson.